For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Surat Suresh. Well, all these days we have been speaking about how the pandemic or COVID-19 has actually infected many of them and how it has had a negative impact on the people as well as the country. But today we will be speaking about a positive news. Yes, one of the states which reported the second highest active cases in the month of April and May and probably for the next 4 months, and a city which stood second in the table of the highest number of active cases has now become one of the least. Yes, we speak about Chennai. Chennai, according to the recent data that the Tamil Nadu health government has released, it's shown that no new cases have been reported for the past 40 days. And the active cases stand at close to around 11,900 odd cases. And Coimbatore area is the main area where the active cases still linger on, but still there are several containment measures which have been taken up. Not just that, why it comes as a good news is because a city which was the second in the table worked its way through, ensured that they control the spread of COVID-19, and at the end of the day they come somewhere at the bottom of the tally. Now let's take a look as to how the numbers rose and how they fell. In the month of March, the numbers were somewhere close to 2,700 odd cases, and then it rose to almost 40,000 cases, and then it fell down again. At this point, 11,900 odd cases have been reported. So what worked out for Chennai, or probably we could say, what did the health department do to ensure that the cases fell in Chennai? Let's take a look at the Chennai model, or the containment model as it's called. Firstly, it is with respect to how they roped in several of the healthcare workers. Over 39,000 healthcare workers were roped in and they were deployed at the containment zones for the containment measure. What these people did is they went door to door. They checked for the temperature and the symptoms of each of the residents in a particular area. They divided it into zones, so probably it'll be easier for them to trace out. Contact tracing was done efficiently, and probably they could trace out and identify that person with the COVID-19 symptom. The other one was setting up fever clinics in each of these zones. So each zone or each street had a fever clinic where the residents would be brought in. If they tested positive, they would be sent to COVID care center if asymptomatic, or the hospitals where the bed facility was there. And apart from that, if at all they tested negative, they were sent back home. So this was a measure which they took to ensure that they do not spread COVID-19. At the same time, they can contain the spread of the transmission as well. Now, apart from that, one of the major factors which worked out was the testing capacity. In the month of April, over 2,700 tests were done in Chennai, but that increased in the month of July to almost 20,000. So that was a huge, almost 10-fold increase was there in the testing capacity as well. This in turn helped where at the checkpoints as well. Checkpoints, what they did, anyone who wants to leave the city or enter the city will have to get themselves checked for thermal screening was done. If at all they showed symptoms, they would be either asked to go back to their own state or district, or they have to go to the hospitals. So this measure, this entire model worked out for Chennai, and probably now the health department, the Tamil Nadu health department has said that the same model will be incorporated in other districts as well. We spoke about testing. So now let's speak about how the Tamil Nadu government has actually fared. It is said Tamil Nadu has the best testing capacity, or the test ratio of over 27 lakh tests being taken up. Test samples were sent 27 lakhs. We have seen how over 2 crore 19 lakh tests have been done in India, but Tamil Nadu accounts to almost 20% of these tests being conducted. So that is a good sign which you're seeing in Tamil Nadu. Not just that, it is also said that a mathematical model, when they calculated the R number or the reproduction number, it is seen that the number has fallen below the 1 mark, which is a good sign. The doubling period as well has increased to over 100 days. So all of these measures taken up by Chennai has actually worked out. Now, who would have imagined a model which was spoken about, like Bengaluru model or the Delhi model was spoken about, but no one expected that a city which was one of the worst hit has come out to be the role model for other metropolitan cities or the other districts as well. Well, probably this is a silver lining, and probably this is what we say, that a proper strategic containment plan will actually work out in helping and controlling the spread of COVID-19. Well, if you have liked this positive video, do hit the like button, share this video, and also subscribe to News9 Digital on all social media platforms. Until next time, thank you.